Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today we're taking a look at Turo, a car-sharing marketplace that lets you book vehicles from local owners. Think of it as Airbnb, but for cars. You can find anything from a budget-friendly sedan for a quick trip to a luxury sports car for a special occasion. Turo offers a wide variety of vehicles across numerous locations, giving you flexibility and choice when it comes to your transportation needs. The process is remarkably simple. You browse available cars in your chosen location, select your dates, and communicate with the owner through the platform. Insurance options are available through Turo, adding an extra layer of security to your rental. They offer various protection plans to suit your needs and budget. Once you've booked, you arrange pickup and return with the owner, often with convenient options like airport delivery. One of the significant advantages of Turo over traditional rental companies is the personalized experience. You're dealing directly with the car's owner, allowing for a more tailored and often more flexible arrangement. This direct communication can also lead to insider tips about the local area, adding another dimension to your trip. Additionally, many owners take pride in maintaining their vehicles, resulting in a potentially higher quality rental experience. Whether you're searching for a specific model, looking for a better deal than traditional agencies, or simply appreciate a more personal touch, Turo presents a compelling alternative in the car rental landscape. For more information, visit their website at turo.com, link in the description. Remember to do your research, compare prices, and read reviews before booking any vehicle. Happy travels!